what works and what doesn't work.
Okay.
You know,
we could say that,
Uh-huh.
but again, it's too general. We
Okay.
need to be more specific.
Okay, be more specific. You'll learn.
And don't worry about giving away secrets or anything in the email that you're writing, because what you want to do is you want to pull people into watching the video and ordering from you to get all of the information. So don't be afraid to give some gems and some insights in your email newsletter selling the video.
Okay. All right. Well, specifically, the first thing that they'll learn is you'll learn how to pull people into your emails.
Exactly. Okay, let's do that. Let's use that as a bullet point.
Okay.
Okay, now we can start to use exclamation points if we want to. We're deep enough in the copy. The problem with a lot of copy is that if you use exclamation point too soon in the copy, people think you're hyping. If they've read this far, then they're already drawn into the copy, so you don't have to worry about that.
How about if we should I get a little more specific? How to pull people into your emails with a simple question?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay. Then the next one I'll help you out with, we could say something like, how to build a curiosity factor.
Okay. That's
into your emails so people keep reading.
Should I do something like this?
Yeah, you can use that occasionally. That's fine. All right, let's go on to the next one. But you use an exclamation point after that too. We'll use our exclamation points at the end of each major benefit. Okay. And then how to use let's put it this way. You'll learn why it's more effective to use specifics instead of generalities. And the reason is, as we mentioned, it builds a lot more credibility to use specifics.
Okay.
In addition, it doesn't leave as many questions in people's minds. Okay, well, we'll correct your spelling later. Let's go down to the next one.
Yeah, that's one word I don't use very often.
Yeah. Okay. So we've got how to pull people into emails with a simple question, how to build curiosity factor. Curiosity factor you can put quotation marks around to make it sound like it's an actual type of, it is. It's a specific type of, use it around curiosity factor, that phrase.
Now I've noticed, Dave, at times you'll use these apostrophes rather than this.
Yeah, I think it looks better, but I don't know.
Okay.
It's up to you.
I like that.
Yeah, I kind of like it too. Especially in an email message, I think it looks better. On a web page, you got to use the full quotation marks. But
okay.
And then let's say that we're going to, in this video session, you'll learn scroll up your page a little bit so I can see the top of it. Okay. Okay, scroll down. Okay, let's say something about how you'll learn how to really sell an affiliate or an affiliate product or your own product.
How to really sell your own...
Your own product or an affiliate product. Okay, and the way we talked about doing that was building curiosity, starting to use, using the question opening, building curiosity, looking at the big picture, conceptualizing the idea that you want to present in your email, and then think as you write rather than correcting your writing as you go. Get the main thought out that you want to be able to communicate. And what we're going to do is, and I'm going to show you at the end of this email how to go through it and make sure that every objection is answered before it's sent out. And that's very important because most of the time you don't have a lot of space in an email to be able to answer every single objection, but you want to get the big ones out. You want to get the majority of the objections out of it. Because if you leave those objections in there, people are not going to order the video, or they're not going to order the product or go to the affiliate page. Now, here's one thing that I've used successfully is if you're selling an affiliate product, your email to your subscriber list can generally be shorter. It doesn't have to be as long because once people, all you have to do is basically introduce the product. You're not really selling the product in your email. You're introducing it and then giving them a link to go to the sales page that the person whose product it really is that you're an affiliate for, that page is designed to sell them the product. Your email is not designed to sell them the product.
Yes.
However, you can use, this is, we're only at 37 lines here in this email, so this is plenty long enough to be able to get people into curious about. The same principles apply. Building curiosity, using specifics, and then giving them a link to click on. Okay? But if you have your own product like we're using right now, we're using this as a product, then we want to make sure all the objections are out before we give them a link to order. Okay, so let's double hit that. We've got 4 bullet points right now.
Yes.
All right, let's think. Okay, let's think of one more bullet point, and then we'll wrap this up and get people, and then we'll show them exactly how to close this thing. So the last bullet point might be to how to close your email so people will buy immediately. I'm not entirely happy with bullet point number 4. It's not specific enough.
How to really sell your own product or affiliate. Okay.
Let's go on and we'll come back to that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so double click after that and get down to a new paragraph. Do you remember how long the video was on the first session that we recorded?
It was probably about 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Yes.
Okay, how long is this one so far? Just double click on the Camtasia icon to see how long we've gone.
Yeah, hold on a sec. So far we are at 30 minutes.
Okay, so all right, let's go back to the notepad. So we're gonna now we can say that by the time we get done, it's going to be over an hour long.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say that, so I mean, that's another specific that we can use in our email.
Uh-huh.
Okay? So we're going to say that this 1 hour video, 1 hour plus.
Should I use the number or just the word?
That's a good question. Capitalize hour plus video. We'll give you insights and specific techniques you can use immediately.